let's go over the cover letter structure. We want to design it to impress the recruiter, the employer, or the reader. So here's some basic stuff that you want to include in any cover letter. Your contact information, name, address, city, state, zip code, phone number, email address, and date, and employer contact information if you have it. And that includes name, title, company, address, city, state, zip, and code. And then you want to begin the narrative, the written parts, with a salutation. Dear Mr., Miss. If you don't have that information, the name of the hiring manager, the person, the recruiter that you're writing to, then you want to just include to whom it may concern. Now, this is the part which there's the most room for impressing a recruiter and also the most room for error. So let's go over this part here, which is really key. So the body of the letter, which includes 3 sections, it can be anywhere from 3 to 4 paragraphs. Usually the first paragraph is the intro, just 1 paragraph. And the middle is 1 or 2 paragraphs. And then the final paragraph or the conclusion is just 1 paragraph. So 3 to 4 paragraphs. Number 1, first paragraph, why? Why are you writing this application? What is your main drive, your main passion? What is your main aim here? I am writing this application to become a story editor or an editor at your newspaper because I am passionate about making sure that the truth is being put out there. And I see that the potential with your company, I can really make that even better, something like that. Number 2, the middle paragraph is what you have to offer. Do your qualifications match the job opening, the job opportunity? And also, you can go into your details of skill. You can talk about a specific experience. You can really sell yourself. This is your elevator pitch to really tell them that I am the right person for the job. I'm the best fit person for the job. So you're just showing them. The final paragraph, you acknowledge the hiring manager, say thank you for this opportunity to apply for this job, and I will follow up with you in this way, phone, email, or showing up in person maybe. And also you want to say that I am a good fit for this job, like as a final confidence statement. So first paragraph, 1 or 2 middle paragraphs, third paragraph. First is why I'm a good person for this. Middle paragraph is your sales pitch, your qualifications matching the job position or the job opportunity, and specific skills that you have learned. And then the third is the final paragraph, which you acknowledge the hiring manager, say thank you, and I'm a great fit for this job, and I will follow up with you in this way. Number 5 is basically the closure, respectfully yours, and then you leave a space for your handwritten signature. If it's a hard copy, if it's just a computer copy, then you just type your name, and then you type your signature on either the digital or the hard copy. So hopefully that was clear, and hopefully you have a better idea of what the structure of a well-designed cover letter is.